Hey, Sam back here. Welcome to this video for Mint App. I'm really excited about this software right here today because it's actually a really cool piece of software. I've been testing it out and I really like what I see. It kind of reminds me of 99 Designs. If you've ever been to 99 Designs, you will have seen that when you purchase a design, people can basically submit different designs and you can actually run a vote over 99 Designs for which design people believe is the best design out of the different designs that you were given. This software allows you to do that with anything, with anything that you want to get information on, and it's a great piece of software for figuring out, what items are going to sell, whether it's an Amazon e-commerce store you're creating. If you've got different variations of ideas or images, this software will be able to do just that. So let me show you a quick one that I created before. What I created is there's this website that I have been following. It's called dealman.co.nz, and it basically has a range of different hoodies, different t-shirts, different shirts that are sold from. They're actually sold from they're designed in China and sold or drop shipped from New Zealand. And I was able to run a quick poll within a few minutes for these two designs. And someone, if they submitted, they could click which design they like. Then it gets presented with an opt-in, a share button, or a call to action button that pops up over the image once a selection has been made. It's really cool and it's really easy to do. It also gives you a number of different options for these different voting designs. So you can either add this to a website of yours, you can add this to a social media accounts, Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. I wanted to actually show you this feature, but it's not working on the preview version that I got of this. So I wasn't able to get a full account. I was able to get a preview account, and the share button's not working, but I'm sure it'll work when you use it. You can embed it on a web page, and you can have a script that'll embed on a WordPress blog or anywhere like that as well. So let me show you how you create these polls. We'll actually create one right now, and I'll share some ideas about how you could potentially use this, because there are a few applications or ways that you could really use this well. So let's go across to dealman.co.nz. Now this is a website dedicated basically to selling these different shirts. They all sell through Facebook. So Facebook, being the viral platform that it is the perfect place for you to actually use Mint's app, because you can post on your Facebook page for the website you have, whether it's an e-commerce website, whether it's for a business, anything like that, and you can actually ask people to choose out of different products of yours, and they can choose which products they like the best, and it helps to engage your audience. It also helps them to get looking at your products, and it enables them to feel strongly for what they believe is probably the best out of the images that you have. It gives you a fair idea about what people think about your products as well, and you can structure different promotions based on what results you get. So say for example, we wanted to run a poll for this particular shirt. Now we're using t-shirts as an example today because it's a hot topic. A lot of people are selling a lot of these. You're probably seeing a lot of products coming out, a lot of success stories doing this. I created a site, and within a couple of weeks I was making sales through a website just like this, based on this website here, and you can do this as well. So let's just grab a couple of popular hoodies. So we'll grab this one and we'll grab this one. And we're just going to create a quick poll for it right now with this Mint app. We'll click Save, and we'll go across to the Mint poll app. Now, first of all, when we first come to this application, we have a choice out of polls or collections. Now, collections, as you can see here, drive more engagement, and that is a premium feature. So down below, you'll actually see some information about that premium feature, but just so you know, this collections part, you're not missing out on anything. I'm not telling you something that you need to see. It's down below. You'll be able to find out about it down below. Okay, let's do a poll. So poll is included with the front end here. So we click plus to start off our poll, and then we choose out of a range of different polls. We can either put a like and a dislike button, which is perfect for Facebook because Facebook obviously doesn't have a dislike button, and people would love to use the dislike button for something they don't like. We could use a binary poll, which is 1v1. Or we could actually have multiple images. You could have like 6 different images. It could be 6 different logos, 6 different book covers. You could be running a promotion for a client and have 6 different products. And the one that's most popular is the one that you give away for the month. There's so many different applications with this. So let's just choose a binary poll as a quick example today. First of all, we need to type in a question. Which do you like the best? All right, or What would you buy? Cool, what would you buy? Probably a good buying term. And then we can upload an image. We could go to an image library. We could grab some images from the past. We could upload by URL, or we could actually search the web for images. Today, I've obviously got my 2 images. I've got Dark Assassin versus M Jacket Grande. So let's start off with M Jacket Grande. I'm going to drag this across here, insert it into the browser, and we have it here. Now, if we want to zoom out and zoom in, you can do that with the mouse really easily. You just basically play around with your mouse, go up and down, and it will zoom in and out. We can add in our second image now, so let's go ahead and do that. And we've added in the Grande, so let's add in the Assassin now. There we go. And here we go. So I'm just going to enlarge this, and there we are. Enlarge it a bit more. There we go. Come on. There we are. All right, we'll just do it a bit more. I'm still getting used to this mouse feature. Cool. All right, let's do that. So we've got this versus this. So we're going to. It's basically Grande versus Dark Assassins. So we've got Grande versus Dark Assassins. Which would you buy? We can then change the font, we can change the background these images are on, different colors, we could change the text color, we can also highlight certain parts of it if we wanted to as well, and we can choose which action we want people to take. We can choose out of requesting to share, out of auto redirect to URL, so you could actually automatically redirect someone to a URL, which I think is a really cool feature. You could request to opt in. Alright, so when someone goes in there, you can request an opt-in from them. You could also display a banner advertising your website or where they can actually buy this product. So let's do request to share and click save today. Easy as that, we've just started our first poll. So as soon as people start engaging with these, as soon as they start looking, they can be like, okay, well, I like to look at this one, I vote Grande, all right? And then it gives them the opportunity to share on Facebook. They click and they're able to share on Facebook. Now, it's not available with the preview version I've got right here. If you wanted to embed this then into your website, your blog, wherever around the web you're using, you can copy the iframe code for WordPress, you can copy the script for an HTML page, or you can actually embed it or add it into any type of website you have with this URL right here. You can also share it, share on Twitter, you can share on Google and Facebook as well, and it's a great posting software for Facebook. Think of the types of polls, the engagement you're going to be able to get with Mintz app. It's going to be really easy, and it also has a statistics platform which makes it very clear as to, first of all, how people are engaging, what they're doing, how many votes you're getting, and how many click-throughs you're getting. So how popular is the poll that you're running. And again, this doesn't have to be used just on Facebook. You can use this on your website as well. So I hope this is showing you a bit about Mintz app today. You'll be able to see more in the previews that you see on this page down below, and also on the sales page when it's live. There's a really special bonus package I've organized down below, so make sure you check out that. And hopefully this has made it really clear to you exactly what Mintz app is. I've enjoyed doing this demonstration today. I hope you've enjoyed listening. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you again soon.